Welcome to Engage Podcast. I'm your host, Philip de Bruyn, and today we're heading to the beautiful Oeverstrand municipality in Hermanus, a region known not only for its scenic coastline, but also for its forward-thinking approach to digital transformation. Our focus today is in the business licensing application process, recently re-engineered and automated by business engineering through the Collaborator platform. Joining me to unpack how it all came together are four key voices from the project. Directly Oeverstrand in person of Unette van Aspersen, Marzaan Middleton, and Deirdre Pedro. And from business engineering, the consultancy that guided the implementation, Liani Botha. Welcome everyone. Great to have you on the show, and please take a few seconds to introduce yourselves.
Thank you, Philip. It's wonderful to be here. And just to introduce myself, I'm Unette. My role is as business architect, and also we look after the customer contact center. So we're always excited to introduce new, exciting projects to our clients where we can actually add value to their lives.
Good morning. I'm Marzaan Middleton. I'm the Strategic Support Services Department, the administrator. I'm very excited for this project. I already introduced two people to the platform, so I'm very excited about this. It makes my life much easier. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Philip, for having us. Yes, I'm Deirdre Pedro. I'm the systems analyst for all the operational systems. So I will be the person who will assist everyone that has problems with the system and working on it.
Always a pleasure to join and talk about how these digital processes come to life.
Thank you, everyone. Let's start at the beginning. Unette, you oversee business architecture and customer relationship at Oeverstrand. What motivated the municipality to digitize the business license application process?
Philip, for years and years, our licensing process has been completely manual, meaning that we had to do paper. It's very hard to track where the paper is, which obviously could result in longer turnaround times. So for us, we wanted to have a transparent process and also put the process in the client's hands so that they can actually see what's happening themselves. At the end of the day, we also, through this, help with our staff, creating less burden on them, maintaining paperwork and having to follow up. The Collaborator platform gives us all of this. Entire process is now going to be online, and through that we will ensure that we allow the clients to submit and then also ensure that we have the right compliance measures in place.
That's very powerful. Marzaan, as someone involved in the day-to-day administration of strategic support services such as public liaison, what does the process look like from your inside?
It's a very structured workflow with clear accountability at every stage. It starts with a pre-check where we verify that the applicant has uploaded all the supporting documents, they completed all the required fields, and they uploaded their zoning details, their compliance certificates, etc. The system guides the reviewer step by step. We select the correct zoning using a data source and then review each tab. Then we decide whether we approve it or request additional information. What's great is the system automatically emails the applicant a letter with professional comments, so communication is then instant and traceable.
That already sounds like a big improvement. Deirdre, you're part of the business architecture team who implemented the system. Once the application passes pre-check, what happens next?
The next stage is generating the pro forma invoice. From the Collaborator Business License application webport, we click Prepare Business License Pro Forma Invoice. All the tariffs and reference details are captured digitally. The invoice is then reviewed internally. If this is accepted, the applicant receives it immediately via email and through the Citizen portal. Once the payment is made and the proof of payment is uploaded, our finance department gets a task to confirm the funds and that it reflects on the bank. If this step used to take days of a manual follow-up, and now it's all automated.
That's very impressive. That's really great feedback. Liani, as the lead consultant from Business Engineering, you work closely with the team on this configuration. What made Collaborator the right fit for this process?
Well, Collaborator's strength lies in its flexibility. It allows the municipality to build a structured workflow that matches their real-world processes. So for Orphestrand, we focused on creating a seamless end-to-end path for application and payment to review, comment distribution, decision-making, and permit generation. Each stage triggers automatic notifications, tasks, and audit trails. It's fully transparent and every action is logged. Everyone knows what's next.
Wow. Mazan, let's talk about the distribution phase, where multiple departments weigh in. How does that work now?
Once the funds are confirmed by the finance department, the systems let us distribute the application for comments. We then select the department that is needed, like the fire department, town planning, fire and safety, etc. Each department then receives its own task with the application documents attached. They review it and select an outcome, either approved, to be amended, or they reject it. If amendments are required, those comments automatically form part of the non-compliance letter that are sent back to the client then. It keeps everything consistent and very professional.
That's interesting. So there's no more chasing emails or lost feedback.
Exactly. Once all departments have commented, the system sends the collated feedback to the original viewer, who checks it and forwards it to the decision maker. That person gets a compiled final outcome task. They review it, give input, and they approve or reject, or it will be non-compliant and capture the reasoning. If it is approved, the system generates the business license permit automatically. If not, it uses the relevant rejection or amendment letter instantly.
I think that's very important, is that the communication now is immediate, it's instant. One needs to remember that when you press the submit button or when you commit the task, the feedback to all parties are instant. So there's no longer days and weeks that needs to pass before feedback is provided to various parties, both internal and external stakeholders alike. Jeanette, from a management perspective, what data does this transformation mean for oversight and accountability?
Philip, I can truly say it's a game changer in our world, and I know that it will be in our clients' world as well. Managers can see exactly where each application is in the process. We have full visibility, and we can manage our turnaround times and providing a better service. We can see where the bottlenecks are. We know of those. We can also, in terms of our clients, see where they get stuck and help them through the process. And then obviously it helps us to manage departmental workloads. From a customer service angle, it's improved transparency, putting the process into the customer's hands for them to go through it with us. They no longer need to visit an office or try to phone or get a hold of us. They can see everything online. So it's truly a game changer for all parties.
That's excellent. Liani, we've had a lot of experience in very many areas, but anything to add from a technical or the consulting side?
Yes, so the success here came from collaboration. Orphestrand's team was very proactive, clear on their requirements, and deeply engaged. We didn't just automate a process, we re-engineered it for efficiency and accountability. It's a model example of how municipalities can use digital platforms like Collaborator to align technology and service excellence.
That's fantastic. And again, we're fast approaching the end of our conversation. But just before we wrap up, Deirdre, what's been the community's response so far?
The application was launched recently and the initial feedback is very positive. We are confident that our users can look forward to a quicker turnaround time and a professional communication. Internally, our staff feel empowered, tasks are clear, and the system reduces duplication and manual follow-ups. We look forward to see how this partnership between the municipality and local businesses will build on transparency and trust.
Well, that's exactly what local government innovation should look like. Thank you, Unette, Marzan, Deirdre, Dihani, for sharing your Oeverstrand story with us and just giving us an insight into your journey. And we're really excited about the achievements that you've made during a very short time. Your collaboration shows how digital transformation can make a tangible difference to citizens and to teams serving them. And this is across the spectrum. It's not really isolated to specific geographic areas or specific environments. This is something that anybody can look at, use, adopt for their specific environment. To our listeners, if you'd like to learn more about Collaborator or how business engineering supports municipalities in digital process transformation, visit our website. You may reach out and visit us on our social media platforms. We'd really like to engage and get the conversation started in as many towns and cities throughout our country. Once again, thank you so much for the participation from our delegates. It's highly appreciated. Until the next time, keep innovating, keep collaborating, and we'll see you then. Thank you. For more information, please feel free to contact us on 0860 104 888, alternatively admin@be.co.za, or on any of our socials. We'd love to interact with you.